You can expect a lot from the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.